Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income and tech. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 ideas for digital products that you can sell online, perfect if you're a graphic or web designer. Are you tired of trading your time for money and looking for ways to generate passive income? I've been there. Wouldn't it be nice to turn your design skills into an additional revenue stream without a huge amount of extra work? I'm about to reveal 8 incredible digital product ideas that you can sell online. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these ideas will help you leverage your existing projects and skills to create products that practically sell themselves. Before I dive into the video, I just want to let you know that any links I have for resources I put in the comment section below of the video, so definitely check those out. And if you find my content helpful today, please like and subscribe so I can keep creating more for you guys. Ever created a client website so good you thought others would love this? What if I told you it could become your next big seller? Yes, selling a website template might seem like a really obvious one, but have you ever created an awesome client website and thought, someone else would love this layout? Or if you find that you have the same type of clients but some people can't afford your rate, they would be really great prospects for website templates. If you want to get really clever and reuse a layout, you can have one website template designed as the current industry you've made it for. And then if you find the template is flexible enough, you can change out the details and market it to another industry, but with different styling. This works for any print design too. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Struggling to create engaging copy from scratch every time? I bet others have had the exact same problem, and this, my friend, is a great idea for digital products. Have you ever used copy in a project that you could rejiggle or reframe? Can you rewrite it and sell the copy for a specific industry it was written for? Or even better, can you take out any customization and leave fill in the blanks so someone else can customize it? What about looking at the copy and learning how it's structured? Could you then use that copy and turn it into a document to teach people about the format needed for a certain type of website or print document? I think it's about looking at one piece of information and seeing all the different ways that you can use it. But remember, the easier and the more done for you do it for someone, the more handy people will find it. Think your business documents are just for internal use? Think again. Your documents can become a goldmine for you and a time saver for others. There is no doubt in my mind that since starting your business, that you would have put some types of business documents in place to help you do something. What about a client contract? I know myself that as I grew over the years, my contract was updated, it was changed, and evolved into quite a good document. You can turn your contract into a digital product, but it's not just limited to a contract. I encourage you to go through your Google Drive or wherever you store your files and see what might be of use to somebody else. Tired of writing the same client emails over and over? What if those repetitive emails could be turned into dollars? If you have something in your business that you use, most likely it's going to help somebody else. So if you have a set of emails that you are writing over and over again to clients, then you can turn that into a list of email templates as a digital product. It could be things like reminder emails, overdue payments, sending your clients changes or revisions, invoicing. Just look through your emails and see if there is anything that is repeated and turn it into a template to sell as a digital product. Do you make tutorial videos for your clients? How about turning those into a product that other designers can buy? If you've recorded tutorial videos for your clients showing them how to do anything, you can compile them to sell to other designers as a white label product.
So this was a website that I found, and this is a lady who actually does white label Squarespace tutorials for other website designers. So she has like a full library and she does it with a subscription basis, and she has so many different like tutorials. I think there might be over 20 video tutorials, so you can use them so many different ways, but this was a really great idea for a digital product, but I just wanted to show you an example of it, which I thought was really, really cool.
Another idea is to offer these videos to your clients on a subscription basis. It's a great way to cover a lot of clients at once, especially if you're a solo designer or have a small team. If you've got a workflow that saves you heaps of time, that is a potential digital product right there. When I was designing with clients, I always found the feedback process for print and web design really difficult because clients would either send terribly written emails with changes or PDFs scanned back with scribbles all over them. And I just found that really impossible to work with. But then I found a tool called Pastel, which marks up client changes on PDFs or websites. It's a total game changer. So I ended up having this whole process, teaching clients how to use it, how to send the markups, how they needed to use it. And overall, the clients really loved how easy it was, and it saved me so much time. So that whole process that I just explained there, you could sell that as a digital product. You could teach other people how to implement it into their business to speed up getting changes from clients and make the client experience just great.
So this is Pastel. This is the site that I used. I just wanted to quickly show it to you just in case you wanted to dive into it as well, because it's really cool. And I have just put in my own website there, but I'll just show you really how quickly and cool it is. So with websites, I've just loaded my own one. You can literally comment on different elements and things like that. So if you wanted to be like the padding on here, the padding on here is too big, then you can do that. And you can also attach images and things like that. You do have to upgrade to get some things, but you could always put like a Dropbox link or something like that to a screenshot if you wanted to, or you could just upgrade because it's not that expensive. But you can post the comment there and it literally says it right there. So this is how clients would use it. They post the comments on there, and then when you've finished the review, you can see that that's where all of the sort of I would say bug elements are or changes are. So you can change to in progress, in review, resolved, and people can actually see the working document of it. It's so good. So if I just go back, and also obviously it's got a tour that's happening as well. There's just so much stuff going on with this. I just absolutely love it. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of it. You can finish the review and then you can submit for a review, all that kind of stuff. And then all you need to do when you want to share this with your client, so those changes I was just doing before with commenting, that was if I was a client. But if you wanted to share the canvas or share for commenting with clients, this is how you do it. Or you can just copy the link and put it into your own email. So that whole process there, I thought would be such a great idea for a digital product, because when I was designing with clients, when I was doing PDFs, images, websites, all that kind of stuff, I just found it so frustrating. And this was what basically saved so much time. And it was just so easy because clients could be anywhere in the world and you didn't have to sit next to them or get those horrible scribbly PDFs. So that tool, I will leave a comment in the video below for you to get it if you want to have a look at it as well.
Ever thought about teaching the skills you've mastered? From video editing to using specific tools, your expertise can become a really valuable digital product. Remember those training videos that I was talking about earlier? Did you use a tool to edit or record? Maybe a tool like Descript. If you did, you have learned a skill that you can teach and turn into a digital product. You could literally make a training video on how to use Descript to edit a certain way and then sell that video as content. And as a bonus, I would recommend doing this digital product idea with a really good tool that has a good affiliate program, so you can give discounts and bonuses or just make a little bit of extra income on the side.
So this is Descript. I used it in the example, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of why I think it's really good to partner with when you're making tutorial videos and stuff like that. The one really great feature about it is that you can edit videos just by changing the text, and it makes things so incredibly fast. It's actually wild. Now, I can't go back to this home here, but inside here is where all my projects are stored. And what you can do is you can duplicate your project. So say I would duplicate this YouTube video here, and then I can change it into a different format. So I can do it short form for TikTok or Instagram, anything like that. And then you can automatically add captions. Honestly, it is wild. I know there are some tools out there for making content and making tutorial videos where they're like, oh yeah, I can create 10 TikTok videos out of this one piece of content, but they kind of use AI and it doesn't usually do it very, very well. With this, you have so much more control. And if I didn't mention already, they do have a really good affiliate program. So once you partner with them, you earn reoccurring commission. So it's not just a one-off. It's you get 50% of whatever membership people have all the time. So I know that this is just a little bit of a perk, but those are the things that I would look for if I was trying to make tutorial videos and I was trying to sort of, partner with a good program to, make videos and sell digital products with and all that kind of stuff.
Do you have a passion project just sitting there? Think bigger. Would it be a great digital product? As designers, we are so creative. We love making things and are often really empathetic. But we also have to pay the bills. So with any passion project like illustrations, artwork, or any other non-client projects that you have, can you use it and license that artwork out for a year? Or can you create a subscription to your work? Illustrations, graphics, and art do make really great digital products. But for this idea to be successful, it's all about where you sell, how you sell it, and who you sell it to that makes the difference. If you think just drawing any old thing and chucking that listing up on Etsy is going to sell, it won't work. I know, because I've tried that. Anything AI. AI isn't new now, but it's going to evolve into something that we probably can't even imagine. And with that wave of new things being developed all of the time, if there are prompts, new tools, anything that helps you get from A to B faster with AI, you can document what you do with it, what tool you use, how you do it, and turn it into a digital product like a course. Once you have built up a few digital products, another idea is to combine all of these digital products or some of the ideas into one comprehensive package. Offer a turnkey solution that someone can just pick up, use, and make their journey a whole lot easier. It's also easier to spend your time marketing one mega package than it is to market hundreds of smaller ones. I use a tool called System.io, which is basically a mega system that you can build funnels, you can sell digital products, you can do email marketing automatically, and so much more. If you want to sell digital products, I would highly recommend checking it out. I've got some links in the description below to get a free trial. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions below. I answer all of my comments, and make sure to check out this video because it's definitely going to help you level up even further.